Hi guys, and in front of me is OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra, and let me show you how to perform a soft reset. So basically all you have to do is to tap on power button along with volume up button. So just tap on both at the same time, tap and hold, keep holding. Just for a few more seconds. And once you feel a smooth vibration and then see OnePlus logo, you can remove fingers from both buttons and wait till your phone is rebooted. Then it should work properly. Now unlock your device and use it smoothly. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.